Risk management is often overlooked, but it separates winning traders from those who blow up their accounts. Stay in the game and grow your capital. Risk management is about identifying, assessing, and minimizing losses. You can't control the market, but you can control how much you lose. Think of risk management like a seatbelt. You don't plan to crash, but you want minimal damage if it happens. Protect your capital. The 1% rule is key for risk per trade. Never risk more than 1% of your account. It protects you from big losses. Every trade must have a stop loss, a point to exit if it goes against you. Once set, stick to it. Don't move it based on emotions. Position sizing is the size of your trade based on your risk and stop loss distance. Understand your math, feel more in control. Master risk management to succeed in trading. Protect your capital, keep losses small, and let winners run. That's the real edge. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more trading wisdom. Stay safe, and may your risk always be in check.